Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia P10 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system. Now let's enter date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time zone and the time. So first of all, tap on this first option and tap on off. And here also turn this off just by using the switcher. So now we can freely tap on the date and choose it from the calendar, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just mark the option on this clock, confirm it with OK. Of course, it will be immediately applied. The time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here you can choose whichever region you want to. So just find it and tap on it, and it will be set. Here you can also decide what kind of clock format you want to use. So currently we've got the 24-hour one. You can use 12-hour format just by turning off this option, or you can use local default, which is the automatic option. So this is how it works. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by using this switcher here and tapping on either network provided time or GPS provided time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.